On October 9, 2025, in Maranello, Ferrari marked a historic turning point at Capital Markets Day 2025, revealing the production-ready chassis and core components of Ferrari Elettrica, the first fully electric model in the history of the Prancing Horse. This moment represented a milestone in Ferrari's multi-energy strategy, embracing internal combustion engines, HEV and PHEV powertrains, and now fully electric drive. Rather than replacing tradition, Ferrari Elettrica expands it, translating the brand's values of performance, innovation, and emotional driving into a new technological era. Ferrari Elettrica is the product of a radically new and innovative approach to engineering. From its inception, the project pursued one uncompromising goal: electrification must enhance, not dilute, the Ferrari driving experience. State-of-the-art technology is combined with superlative performance, delivering immediacy, control, and engagement worthy of Maranello. This is not an electric car adapted to Ferrari, but a Ferrari conceived from the ground up as an electric vehicle. Remaining faithful to its engineering and artisanal traditions, Ferrari developed and manufactures every major component in-house. Electric motors, power electronics, battery systems, chassis structures, and control software are all Ferrari creations. This ensures absolute control over performance, quality, and character, delivering the uniqueness expected of the Prancing Horse. Ferrari Elettrica represents the culmination of a long journey into electrification that began with Formula One technology in 2009. Early hybrid research led to the 599 HY Curse prototype of 2010, proving electric assistance could enhance performance. In 2013, LaFerrari demonstrated how electrification could elevate responsiveness and acceleration without sacrificing emotion. This knowledge evolved further through the SF90 Stradale, Ferrari's first plug-in hybrid, and the 296 GTB, which refined the agility and efficiency. The recently presented 849 Testarossa further consolidated Ferrari's mastery of electrified architectures. Each milestone contributed essential know-how toward a fully electric Ferrari capable of excelling in every dimension. Ferrari's strategy was clear from the outset. The first electric model would arrive only when technology could guarantee superlative performance and authentic driving pleasure. With Ferrari Elettrica, that moment has arrived. Now ready for production, the project incorporates over 60 patented proprietary technological solutions. These innovations span power delivery, thermal management, energy efficiency, and vehicle dynamics, forming an integrated Ferrari-specific system. A defining achievement lies in its structure. For the first time, both the chassis and body shell are produced using 75% recycled aluminum. This approach preserves strength and rigidity while saving 6.7 tons of CO2 per vehicle built. The architecture features short overhangs, a driving position close to the front axle, and a battery fully integrated into the floor plan. 85% of battery modules sit in the lowest possible position, lowering the center of gravity by 80 millimeters versus an equivalent ICE model. At the rear, Ferrari introduces its first separate subframe, reducing noise and vibration without compromising stiffness. The third-generation 48-volt active suspension, evolved from Purosangue and F80, optimizes ride, body control, and cornering forces. Ferrari Elettrica employs two in-house electric axles, each with a pair of synchronous permanent magnet motors using Halbach array rotors. The front axle achieves 3.23 kilowatts per kilogram and 93% efficiency, while the rear reaches 4.8 kilowatts per kilogram. A lightweight inverter delivers up to 300 kilowatts, weighing just 9 kilograms. Designed and assembled in Maranello, The battery achieves nearly 195 watt-hours per kilogram with advanced thermal management. 3 driving modes, range, tour, and performance, regulate energy use, power, and traction. Steering wheel paddles allow 5 graduated torque levels, enhancing driver involvement. The vehicle control unit updates dynamic parameters 200 times per second to manage suspension, steering, and stability. Sound remains essential, developed through sensors capturing mechanical vibrations and amplifying them into authentic aural feedback. Interior design